Hi there, I'm Christian Secor and I'll be your instructor for this introductory PHP course. So what is PHP? Well, it's one of the most popular server-sided languages in the world. In fact, according to W3Text.com, PHP is used by 79% of websites whose server-sided language they know. Now my experience is that PHP is one of the easiest languages to learn. It comes installed and ready to use in most hosting environments. It's open source with many sources you can go to for help, including this course. There's a huge community of helpful programmers you can learn from. Now PHP is also pretty simple to maintain and works well with managing databases. Now there are plenty other server-sided solutions out there, including Ruby, Node.js, Python, and many others. However, none match the ubiquity of PHP for managing small to mid-sized websites. In fact, there are several large sites running PHP very successfully right now, including Wikipedia and Yahoo.com. Now I get asked frequently, how can PHP help developers? Well, most notably, PHP is used to manage databases. It works very well with MySQL, utilizing database libraries like MySQLi and PDO, or PHP data objects. It has graphic design libraries that help us resample our images, and data objects that help us format time, along with many other functionalities that just help us get things done. So before you dive into the course, what is some advice I can give you to learn PHP more effectively? Well, first I say use it. Use the code in this course. Change it, break it, fix it, debug it, recode it. Challenge yourself. After every video, ask yourself what the code presented can do. Where have you seen this functionality before? Build something on your own. Make it a full project. Maybe add PHP to an existing site that doesn't have it. Possibly turn a static site into a dynamic site with your own content management system. As the shampoo ads say, lather, rinse, and repeat, and keep using this useful language. Now, having been around for about 20 years, there's a ton of PHP out there on the web. There's a lot of bad code out there as well. This is added to PHP's detractors. However, the implementation of modern best practices taught in this course will help you not only alleviate those concerns, but understand how to get the most out of this popular language. So let's get started.